What are you doing on Sunday afternoon, Lisa?
I don't know. I haven't really planned anything yet.
Do you fancy going to a film festival?
A film festival? Why not? I haven't been to one in ages. What kind of films are they showing?
Black and white ones. I know you enjoy old films. That's why I thought of you.
Sounds good. When is it exactly?
Well, on Sunday, it's from 11 a.m. until 4 p.m. at Penny Lane Cinema.
I'm sorry, I can't make it at that time. My grandparents have already invited us for lunch, and we usually don't get back until after 3 o'clock.
No problem. We can go on Saturday instead. The festival is on all day, from 11 a.m. until 11 p.m. How about going in the evening? I can meet you outside the cinema at 7 o'clock.
Okay, count me in.
All right then. See you on Saturday.